Hello everybody and welcome back to another video, and in this one we are going to be discussing how to recover deleted messages on WhatsApp without backup. So if you do not want to use the backup feature, so let's just say you head over to settings and from there to chats, you can see we have this option of chat backup, and using this you can recover your all deleted messages on a new device, or even if you just reinstall WhatsApp on your same device again, you can easily recover your chats. But let's just say you do not want to go that path and you want to try something else. What you can do is simply head over to your Play Store, and from there you can simply search for WhatsApp chat backup. And once you click on that, you can see we have this particular option of backup messages of WhatsApp, and we are going to be installing this particular app, so make sure you install it and try that out. And even though if it doesn't work, so you have some other apps as well, like for example recover messages for WhatsApp, and some like for example WhatsApp message backup and viewer. So these are going to be creating a backup for your chats. Once they are created, you have this option of export chat and all these features as well. So make sure to try out these different apps, and eventually you will get your issue resolved if you do not want to use the backup option and just simply back up your files without any option that is inside your WhatsApp. So you can see I have installed the app and it is now giving us instructions on how we can use the app. Simply head over to these three dots on the top right side of your screen and then click on more, and now click on export chat. So we can see we can export it into this particular app, and that's how we can get our backup created. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to share it with your friends, and thank you so much for watching, and see you around the next video.